We're back with a world-ending nationwide impact. 9 strikes from OMG Fireworks. 500 grammer. The world is ending. And that's coming for us. So, our performance on the side. As OMG Fireworks embarks on the new journey with shockwaves will be felt across the globe with 9 precisely calculated strikes of super hard-hitting breaks with strobing effects that will leave your jaw on the floor. So you got knocked out. And those are some nice sized tubes. There you go. Want to bring in a 2 or 3 shot finale with this? OMG Fireworks. Got this from ocfireworks.com. Link in the description down below for all your online pyro needs. We'll see what you guys think. Let's check it out in a few seconds. Let's go.
Bro.